Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa. Guys, the proceedings now have come something else. Like I said, most people have made it into Senzo Meyiwa about themselves, in their egos, in their power, and their ranks. Next, like for example, Brigadier Kinindi. And Balu comes across as that person as well. Tina, we actually bigger than defense. Umnisi angabaquza enze all sorts of things, enze noma yini asitshele where to get off, but at the end we've got an upper hand, and this has become a circus now. No rata naye, he must just come out abe lalela guns blazing and be that person ukuthi lalela ngiphethe phela la. At the end of the day, guys, the commotion there, ukulwa okuleya court is just beyond me. I'm just like, and then what happened to getting justice for the Meyiwas? Le obona futhi na they're not gonna get anytime soon because abantu bayiphushela mangaba the court. Obviously, I mean, I'm talking about the state. The state is not presenting anything that says you are correct in what you are saying. Balitho sambo abantu abanamanga like you've never seen. Ubrigadier Kinindi continues to lie through his teeth. It's like, hey bo, when is it going to stop? Ukubona leyo nto. At the time, ngikulola this monitoring guy nobuthelezi ukuthi Brigadier Kinindi, this is what he said. Ubaluyi stands up and be like, no, that's not what he said. This is what is written on paragraph 9. Hey, uratha akhuluma vele umnisi no, so sekuseleni mina ukuthi ngisho because the court actually has made up their minds. Uratha, that's not what I'm saying, man. I need you can actually argue and say ngirong, uyayibona leyo nto, and then say ukuthi because umnisi is like, this is how I understand it. Nina nifeel ukuthi Brigadier Kinindi right. And like I said, guys, on the video episode this one ukuthi Brigadier Kinindi, you see the stuff that he says today, and I'll just make an example. Today. Kusasa, he doesn't say it like that. And at times, guys, I don't think usuke ekabamanga. It's more like he's rephrasing it, and it just depends how you get it as a person. Besides good value, he's a liar and all of that, but he's saying the same thing just through and Umnisi is putting tabs on him because he would have said something like I said on trial within a trial, must be main trial now, and then he's like, no, that's not what you said. So guys, it's get to sana, and it's the whole thing. I'm better than you, I'm smarter than you, I can see right through you. Oh, the court has become something else. Have you noticed the Gutu Brigadier Kinindi never takes accountability ukuthi any accused number one was assaulted? For instance, the Diepkloof story where he was assaulted, pressed on, abegwe plastic, a JMPD guy came behind his back, means izinto. It doesn't. You will be like, first, I wasn't there. This is misleading the court. I didn't come to Diepkloof. I wasn't there. I wasn't present. Not once he's ever said, oh no, actually, just once those guys were actually beaten up and all of that. No, he will never. It's just like those people were not touched. These people who were shabad, bashawa so many times so that they can agree to something that they didn't do and confess. This is why I said last year, Brigadier Kinindi on trial within a trial, uhleli ngenyawo eziwu-2 ezukuthi they confessed nje. Because they are the ones that told me they did actually delete Senzo Meyiwa. Guys, how can you not confess? Ushawa. Aunabani, you have nobody. A few people, a few police officers backshy and assaulting you and doing stuff to you. Crazy things for that matter. In the hotel Amanzi. Guys, how degrading even. Bakubuyela phansi, they gaslighting you, lalela we loot. Umzulu Ratu said the other day about Zulus. Hey, Rata again. It's a cup. Issue accused number one, which I know very basically is an illiterate, agafundile, agakwazi vele isingisa kasazi. Guys, and we realized as YouTubers, most people didn't realize that. Uguti, Uraza said something. Someone even said Zulus must come out. Abayikhulumele. The gaslighting in that court, I tell you, it's taking other directions for me. I'm just like, bayisa abantu la ngaphandle. Hayi-ke uBrigadier Linda refuses to agree ukuthi he was at Diepkloof when accused number 1 was assaulted. Uthi yena he wasn't there, and why poor number 1 angaphuma amagazi because the elite SWAT team, abantu bafaka ama-boots, they are good at what they do. Fanele kubonakala ukuthi like babemshaya. And he refuses to agree ukuthi yes he was there. Uthi he wasn't there. Accused number 1 uthi wayekhona. Guys, you can't make up those things. Accused number 1. You should see if it's how accused number 1 looks at uBrigadier Linda like yaprana. You know what, yeah. Udlalile ngathi yazini uzenzelile ngathi. But ngeke uzugcina ukhumbula ukuthi wakwathini uNtanzi last year in his testimony. Wakwathi uNtanzi I know it's fine. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ukhona. You can be high up there, you can do whatever you want. Kodwa uNkulunkulu yena ukhona. And those words, nje, they're not just gonna go down the drain. Someday, uNtanzi will get to see those words as he show. uNtanzi washo twice. I can't forget that. Was ngikwazi. You might have done stuff to me. Ngoba in a way, he was meaning. Ngoba nginena power, you know. Ngintuthane, basically mina wena umkhulu. So, kodwa, at the end of the day, who created the world? God. Yeah, uBrigadier Linda ngiyakutshela. He's told himself I'm untouchable. Like I said last week, at the end of the day, umengani. Besides the confessions of these guys, the 2 guys, obviously, I mean, accused number 1 and 2. Umena ngokuthi lalela, listen, mina nginabantu angidata picking me up. Angifika ngedwa la. Ubona siqamba manga kanje. Ngifika ngiyiwani la. Nginabantu data picking me up. Nothing's gonna happen to me. Akekho futhi umuntu ozongenza next and nje sohlala kanje. And these 5 boys ngokwami mina, they will be convicted for not deleting sense, but mina I say they did. Uyayibona manje ukuthi kanjani into kaBrigadier Linda. Phethe thina la. Ubanike konje wena. And advocate Chelsea Minister is like, you know what, no Mboto must come here, because I think Mboto isn't it? He's working with Linda. But you know what, you're gonna do this, eh? Yeah, nawe uphakathi envelope angethwa ayithola. The fact ukuthi uMboto was actually based or stationed in Randburg, but uyakwazi ukuba se-Diepkloof athu Linda for some reason engayazi, mhlambe it was better for him to be there. Guys, I'm just like, you know what? Now amaphoyisa, half of SAPS, as I would say, has testified in this case. For what? Because they were not in the house. Kamakhumalo, those people, they never saw Senzo being deleted. Senzo was deleted actually by the person who was in the house. How we got here, guys, in the past 10 years, you'll ask yourself. Guys, Umnisi was even telling uBrigadier Linda at some stage, and you are busy answering questions that you are imagining in your mind. I guess Umnisi got a nice sometimes. Manje kulelwa i-golden spot where accused number 1 was taken, washawa khona. Uthi Brigadier Linda, why would he be beaten up there when there's people passing there? It's almost like a complex. Khona indawo lapho. Uthi Umnisi, that's not what I said. Uqala ubhizi lokuthi municipality, and I tell you there's no municipality there. There's like a small home affairs place. There's small things there. I have never said anything about the municipal. Advocate Baloyi ati no, that's how I understood it, man. These golden spots. Hey guys, you know what? Urasa is so disgusting. Ngaleso sikhathi kasisalinde indaba yokuthi sithole information ye-golden spots, ubhizi unwayindlebe ngepeni. Shame accused number 1 wanted to draw the place, how it looks like, the gate and everything, how Urasa is saying. It's now we can, like, you can tell me which one, awukwazi ukubhala leyo nto usitshela ukuthi okay, there was a gate there. Angithi you drove there. Abe sithi umnisi, no shame, accused number 1 is not an architect. So kuhlekwe ecourt, guys. Yo, and he can't really, draw the thing. I mean, he can't be drawing the thing, guys. Like, honestly. He can't draw that complex, guys. It's so wrong in so many ways, Leon. Abonje, guys, how Gininda has actually treated these guys. Abonje ubukisile ngapha. Like, ukubona umuntu akuhlambalaze and take over your life, aqamba amanga ngawe and enze i-make believe. Yakhumula ngaze ngathi mina eneyangeke phela, this is like fairies on TV. Izinto ey'ngekho ezingaphili. I'm just like, how did this guy get here? Yazi esedabukisa u-accused number 1, guys, singimdakela. Yembuka uGininda like ya. Like namanje cause mina ngilalelwa ngifuna ukudrowa lento, I can't even draw it. Fanele ngilalelwe wena, mina ngiyasho ukuthi it was some gold sport any complex wena uthi it was just a self-standing, like Urata put it, it's a self-standing building, a police station. Guys, yeah, no. Umnisi end up etshela uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi lalela, it's unethical, these things that you are saying. Usuqalile futhi lento yakho uthi Mokgana will come and explain to us it's unethical. Please stop it. Athi you'll come here and cry again futhi ukuthi people are disrespectful in. Umnisi guys took to other directions. Athi you don't respect yourself. What is the relevance of Mokgana umayezala? Kuzosiza ngani lokho when you wena self you don't even respect yourself? I was just like, I'm done, guys. Umnisi will just trash you. As Umnisi is telling Gininda off, busy, Uratutai, no, stop it, Umnisi, let's be organized. I'm just like, even you. Uthi the problem with Gininda, often Gininda will be looked at ngathi indawo, that's an open place, the people passing, that it's actually in a secluded place. That is why accused number 1 is ngangishawa lapho. And it's the truth, I'm telling you, this guy is lying, Gininda. Through his teeth, for that matter. And Umnisi is like, no, if physical inspection is what you're going to use, fanele vele giwe lapho. Futhi uraza normally uyathiwa vele giwe vele. Umnisi ukhathele guys uGininda, hayi namangaki. The fact that Tubalo is very negative about it, I know, the place doesn't look the same as before, and you understand? And then Urasage obviously is going to South Africans would have vandalized it. Like it's funny, like it's a circus vele they are caught. You understand that overseas they're thinking we are crazy. It's just like, what's going on with South Africans? Like the stuff that he says, the judge. Who even says the judge there at Nathan, the judge at Jocelyn's trial. Crazy things that this guy says. As I had they would have vandalized it. Guys, why? Just because NSA Umnisi says agiwe kon. Saying imagine it doesn't look the same. It must look how Gininda once said. Those are crazy things. Let's just go there. It's fun no was food. As Urata is just saying that's a jenge, I have come brothers Gininda ati know the stuff that the utterances that Umnisi said about me, I'm unethical in it's asebic, like how advocate Baloyi said didn't sit well with me. He is so petty, this guy, like in another level. And I'm so who are crazy, like Brigadier Gininda, they're very petty, those people. They're always looking for something and always pinning down people like Mangenzile next day. There's nothing else that Brigadier Gininda is carrying there. And which is not even gonna pay him. Even Nalento Lemanja saying the court is adjourning. You busy still saying like my lord did sit well with me. I'm not happy about the stuff. As for respecting now for Umnisi, I'm not happy with the things you were saying about me. Guys, we don't care about those things. So now we just want the truth for them. You as when I always think everything is about you in that court. As I was invited to say to answer the question, and I actually did answer that question. I don't know what he wants from me. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, I'm done with this guy. Brigadier Gininda, guys. It's uncalled for, it's unnecessary. Guys, witness, I've never, it's the first time actually, like South Africa a song only in South Africa. It's just like, bruh, look, why are you even given a platform to say anything? You've said your stuff, you've said a mouthful, you've said enough. Stop. Gininda continued, bruh. He never stops talking, that guy. And Umnisi has told him before, can you just manage? And it's yes or no?
Can we continue? And Umnis is just looking at him. Oh, Rata is writing some stuff there. He's just like, whatever, bro. But when Umnisi, you must try and contain yourself. What, Umnisi? Can I respond, please? Umnisi doesn't care about this guy, bro. Like, if we must always be scared. Oh, guys, it's crazy. Umnisi, I'm telling you, bro, please. You never finish. When can I just respond? That's my lord. It's like the high school in John, guys. It's kindergarten in another level. You understand? Can I respond? Can I Brigadier Gininda, you see, my lord, this is what I was telling you about. Oh, guys, Brigadier Gininda. As Umnisi is trying to explain why I said this person is unethical, Brigadier Bongani Gininda, Rata is busy making size on the side of Rata, guys, he's just so bad, like he doesn't even try. And when it comes to defense, and at some stage, as you know, when Musu Kuluma and Amnisi, because Brigadier Gininda, he says he's not finished. He says so. Guys, they're childish, those people. And with Brigadier Gininda taking the cup, actually, Lobaba lo, Urata, Yatati cup. Atumnisi, and what is it that is trying to plant in the mind of the court? What do you know about Mukhane's thinking and mind? And this was still stuff that he tells them. You in my team, you are my entourage. You can't say other things other than what I'm telling you. They planned this thing and they're still planning, they're still having meetings, they still talk about it. But this is how we're going to take down these 5 boys who didn't even delete Senzo Mayo. Crazy things. Aturata, and when actually are you going to start respecting each other? And my thing is that Leonto Eganjalo finally control when as the head of the court. Why can't you just control this thing? What is your problem? There's no need for these utterances. But you can say all sorts of things. As a Brigadier Gininda, I have nothing against Umnisi. Guys, you won't say anything if you have nothing against the person. You have something. No, I'm food. It's the same thing. Like, because they're telling you who you are without your consent. They're telling you, you are actually a liar, bruh. Please stop. When is it going to stop? When are you going to stop? To be a lie. Like, what's the point of lying again to court and saying things like, I know, I have nothing against him. Agamufuni. With all his heart and his toes and everything he has in his body. Agamufuni. And we actually don't care at this point. Tinanje stand up. So is lead ekutheni kuthiwe let's call this thing off. Lo baba lo abathu Brigadier Gininda came here to lie and he thought he's going to get away with it. We are done, we are tired. I'm told, I'm told all the South Africans and international people are watching this court case. So nizoyeka nini and ngoba thina sibonakala njengabantu abamnyama, you know, abangekho right. How are you different when as a judge? It's about blacks, vele and abelungu baphuza ngathi tea. But now you are the head and you've been working forever. I'm going to have 50 years experience. Yeah, then you know what to do, but you're not doing it. At the end of the day, guys, no one wants another person is talking over you. Ubaloyi was saying that that's the only good point he said, but obviously, ukhulumela uGininda when Umnisi stood up, you'll never take Umnisi's side to Baloyi. Please, let's get that right and straight. Like, there's no way. And in Nakona, guys, who is going to respect who while you talk over people who are Nakala? Ngisho Brigadier Gininda at the time. And who is going to respect you when you continue lying to South Africans? Who is going to respect you? Who are you? I, for one, just as much as he has the highest rank, SAPS, actually, I have no respect enough for Gininda. Gininda is lying, guys. I mean, like what are our children learning from Gininda? You understand my point? There's nothing there to learn. There is nothing. You are lying. What are your children saying? What is your wife saying? What are your relatives saying about you? That's the first thing. Wanamanga but kusho ukuthi vele nani lo brigadier wafika kanjalo okhophela esikoleni namanje wenzi law, you think you are above us? No, bro. And then ikurata ke vele kwakufunda ku section 166 about the conduct and all of that. That's another day, you know. uzoqeda nini guys? So ngime lapho guys for now. Thank you so much. Ngithanda over.